Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I realized it has been almost 2 years since I've done a kitchen organization video, and in my house at least, the kitchen is probably the #1 area that needs to be organized just because we have so much stuff in this room. We have new things coming in, we have old things going out. So I think with organization in general, it's always a good idea to revisit things and adjust as necessary. So I have a lot of fun new organization ideas for today. And if you do enjoy this video, you should definitely subscribe to my channel. I am known for my organization content. So with all of that said, let's jump right in to our kitchen organization ideas. The first thing we're gonna tackle are different solutions for organizing your lids to your pots and pans. I don't know what it is. I have such a hard time with storing and organizing these. So I have 2 different solutions for you guys. The first is this rack. So this is designed to be drilled onto the interior of your cabinet, and then your lids get stacked on here nicely like this. You could also use something like this to organize your different baking trays and toaster oven trays. The other solution, and what I decided to go with, is this really cool slide out lid organizer. So you drill this into the bottom of your cabinet, you pull it out, and all of your lids are right there, perfectly organized. They stack together. They make so many different sizes and shapes of these slide out organizers. If you want your items to be more easily reachable and accessible, these slide out racks are extremely convenient. Up next, I'm gonna show you a bunch of different ways to use these little command hooks in your kitchen. So the first thing you can do with this is use it to hang your oven mitts. I'm always losing my oven mitts. That's probably because my son Carter likes to play with it as his favorite toy. So to keep it both organized but also out of sight, I put this on the interior of one of my cabinets. So I could just open the cabinet, grab my oven mitt. I always know it's in the same place. And random side note, I just upgraded my oven mitt to this really nice silicone one. My other one was falling apart. The next idea for using these hooks is using them to hang your measuring cups and measuring spoons. So I got these measuring cups that have the hole in them, so they hang nicely on the hooks, and I put this on the inside of my pantry cabinet because that's where I tend to use the measuring cups the most, on flour, oatmeal, different dry goods in the pantry. So having them there hanging up is so convenient. And then I did that same idea with measuring spoons. So they're always gonna be displayed in the same place. And the last way I use this little hook in my kitchen is I hung one on the back of Carter's high chair, and I use it to hang his bibs from. And for storing your pots and pans, the solution that I have in my kitchen that I still love 2 years later is this rack that you can use to just very easily and nicely stack your pans. Having this little rack is probably one of my top organization products in my entire house, no joke. For organizing your cooking utensils, so your slotted spoons, your tongs, other larger utensils, I found these drawer dividers that I put in the drawer right next to where my stove is, so I can have all of my different utensils in there, separated in the drawer. And these are made out of a really high quality, sturdy bamboo material. So I think these will last for many years. You can also use these in your cutlery drawer to organize your cutlery that way. Up next, some ideas for organizing your spices. We keep our spices in a drawer, but the problem is they're rolling all over the place. It's not that organized. So I found these spice liners for the interior of the drawer, so you can stack all of your spices nicely on the interior of your drawers, and they're not going to roll around, and they're displayed nicely so you can easily find the spice that you need. I also have these in my bathroom drawers, and I use this to organize my skincare products. I know organizing under the kitchen sink is a big problem area a lot of people have, so I have a couple different solutions for this. The first is this awesome rack that is adjustable to fit under your sink. So you can expand it as wide as it needs to go. All of these little racks are removable and movable, so you can adjust them as necessary to fit around the piping under your sink. Under my sink, we actually have this big water filter unit, so this didn't fit. I'm gonna use this instead for under my bathroom sink, and for under my kitchen sink, I'll show you what I'm using. On one side, I'm gonna use the stainless steel slide out drawers. If you haven't noticed, I'm all about the slide out because it just makes it easier to grab things that are all the way in the back of your cabinets. So along the same lines, on the other side, I'm using this giant Lazy Susan, and I'm using this to put our dishwashing detergent, soap, cleaning products, all different larger household products that I need to be easily accessible. So this next item is also a Lazy Susan type container, but used in a totally different way, and this is probably my favorite thing in this entire video. So it is this spinning contraption that has the compartments in it. And I thought this would be perfect for organizing Carter's snacks. And in the picture here on the label, it shows them organizing the K-cup containers. So if you use those, this could be a great solution for that as well. Another kitchen drawer organization solution are these containers. They are also customizable, so you can adjust the size and shape to whatever it is that you're organizing. I thought these would be perfect for organizing our kitchen gadgets. We have so many different ones. I've been meaning to do a video on my favorite kitchen gadgets because I love them. It's probably the #1 thing that I'm a sucker for. If you guys watch my channel, you know that I'm a tea addict, so I have a lot of tea to organize. I have 2 different solutions for this. The first is this acrylic tea organizer bin. So I have my teas in here and I have them by caffeine content. So the nighttime herbal teas are on the top and then my caffeinated teas are on the bottom, just so it's even easier to find the tea that I need. Another solution that I really like are these custom interlocking drawer dividers. So what I really like about this is that you can make them whatever size and shape you need based on your drawers. You can also use these for organizing your junk drawer or your kitchen gadgets or other smaller kitchen items. All right, so we have covered a lot. Those are my ideas for this week. If you did enjoy it and you got some ideas from it, then please do me a favor and hit the thumbs up button. I would really appreciate it. And also, as I often like to do, I'm going to do a little surprise giveaway here at the end. This is just my little way of saying thank you guys for supporting my channel and watching all the way to the end of the video. So just leave a comment down below of what organization product was your favorite, and then I will pick one person at random to win that product. The only requirement is that you are subscribed to my channel with the notification bell turned on, so make sure to do that. And also, just in case you missed it, the video that I posted on Thursday, which was a day in the life of Carter, who's my 1.5-year-old son, is one of the most adorable videos. You have to watch it if you haven't seen it, especially if you need to be cheered up. If you're having a little bit of a bad day and you need to pick me up, this video is guaranteed to put a smile on your face. So I will have that link down below for you. And with all that said, thank you so much as always for watching, and I will see you soon with a new video. Bye.